Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Giggling Minds Flavors. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on new videos. Today we will prepare most sought out dish of Kerala, porotta. Let's start the preparation. Here are the ingredients. Maida, all-purpose flour, 4 cups. Salt, half teaspoon. Powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon. Butter, 2 tablespoons. If you wish, you can also use eggs instead of butter. Oil. Without any delay, let's get into the preparation. Empty maida into a bowl. Add powdered sugar. Add salt. Add butter. You can also use egg instead of butter. Crumble and mix well. Knead well by adding water little by little. Make a dough out of it. Cover it and keep it aside for half an hour. After half an hour, make medium potato size balls out of it. Make the balls as shown. Pour oil into it. Spread it evenly so that all the balls get soaked in oil thoroughly. Close it with a lid and keep it aside for 2 hours. Now remove the lid. The dough has absorbed the oil and has become soft. You can use a clear countertop or a smooth table for making porotta. Grease the surface with oil. Keep the ball like this and spread it evenly as thin as possible using a palm as shown. Now remove it and beat it over the surface like this so that it becomes bigger and thinner. Now roll it from both the sides like this and keep one above the other. Repeat the same process with other balls. Here we are showing 2 ways to spread the dough. You can use whichever method is convenient for you. Once you're done with rolling all the balls, Spread the balls like this. You can see the layers formed. Now remove it and put it in hot tawa. Let it cook. Flip it. Apply oil both the sides. Rotate it frequently so that all the sides are cooked well. Repeat the same process with other balls. Soon after making it, crumble it slightly so that the layers are visible. This should be done when it is hot. Hot and soft parotta is ready. We have uploaded chicken curry in a previous video, which is the best combination. Vegetarians can have it with mushroom curry. The recipe would be shared in our next video. Parottas can also be had with kadla curry and shahi paneer. The link for the curries are given in the description box. Try it out and let us know your experiences. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.